fight is mine.
But if I could just...
Take Atreus and the mask and do not look back. My son trusts you, so I trust you.
Away from her!
Dad, wait!
I am done with you and your son! No more fucking games! And this time, I'm allowed to kill you.
We do not need to do this!
We do! It's what we are! I can hate you! Can you? That it?
Go on! The lad seems to think you've changed! Move it and stop it!
Talking ghost! Wait and die! Won't be enough!
Stay in control of it, brother!
I know!
You're what the All-Father made you! You can choose to...
You all!
Think for yourself, brother! You're firmly pulling it out!
Don't act like you know! You attack my daughter!
No! I did not...
You bring this to my home! To my family! Come on! Come on! If this is the end, you'll die first! Then you're king! One of us dies today! Still won't be me!
Brother, get up! Brother!
Still won't be me!
Roar! This isn't what's rude, but
Keep her name out of your damn mouth! Everything was fine before Loki showed up! He almost convinced me! Had me believing things would change!
Thor! Listen to me!
You have nothing I want to hear!
come on, get up, brother!
Still won't be me!
Thor! This isn't what's rude, but...
Keep her name out of your damn mouth! fine before Loki showed up! He almost convinced me! Had me believing things could change!
Listen to me!
You have nothing I want to hear!
Odin does not have...
Shut the fuck up! Come on!
Fuck are you waiting for?
Your daughter. My son calls her friend.
If you try to hurt her...
I would not.
Don't you know what I've done?
Yes! But what will you do now?
We don't change. Or destroy us.
No more. No more. For the sake of our children, we must be better.
Why isn't he dead? Are you talking? Who told you to do that? You don't talk! You don't think! I think, you kill! It's a simple fucking concept!
Sif was right about you. I just didn't want to see it.
What is this? Are you broken? I am your father. Take the hammer and kill who I tell you to kill!
No.
I didn't want this. I did not want this.